Hello and welcome. Couple months ago, Mito sent me this small table lamp with a red 633 nanometer light, which I've been using since then in my bedroom, and I really want to tell you my experience with this light. First of all, it's very light. You can charge it with USB cable here, so if you have a modern mobile phone, probably you have a USB-C cable and charger. It's got 3 light settings, so as you see, this is no light, and you've got 3 lights. You can of course fold it and take it with you on a trip or wherever you go, and then just unfold and put it on your desk. I like to put it on my night desk with the first setting, just to create a little bit of red light to give me nice mood just before I sleep. I've read that red light before we sleep creates melatonin, that sleeping hormone which helps us have a better sleep, and it's very good idea to be exposed to the red light in the 1 hour before we plan to go to sleep, because our body will start producing this sleeping hormone and help us sleep better that night. And it's very important, especially when we spend all day looking at the devices like laptops, mobile phones. They all have so-called blue light. Blue light awakes us. Blue light creates the other hormone, which makes us alert, because our body recognizes, okay, that's white light, blue light. It means beginning of the day, we need to get up and go to do things. And this is not what we want to do when we plan to have a nice sleep. We want to do the opposite. We want to expose ourselves to the light which imitates sunset. Red light like this is very good, because it imitates to our brain that it's sunset now, it's time to chillax, relax, prepare for good night's sleep. I like the simplicity of this light and how light it is, and how long it actually holds the charge. I can really use it for a couple days, and then then I need to of course charge it because the battery runs out. But I feel like it's a great addition to my well-being setup in bedroom. Some people use lights like this. If you already have, you can just basically of course turn on the red light and use it as well. Hello, Super.
Yes, I'm here.
Turn on therapy mode.
Okay, therapy mode is
So
on.
you can of course shine it in the wall or somewhere and have the same effect. But if you don't have the light like this, or if you have larger panels, you don't really want to use for just creating the ambient light in your room, because they take too much energy. This device, I'm pretty sure it takes much less electricity than this one, or of course even bigger panel take even more electricity. So from the perspective of our electricity bill, it's best to choose something which shines the light but takes as little power as possible. But of course, if you have the light panel, you can use it because you already have the device, so it's up to you. I really like spending the last hour of the day in this ambient light. You can relax, you can talk to your family, just have laugh, or just talk about your day, having this light on, and then just switch it off before you go to sleep. If you are interested in this light, check the link in the video description below. This video is not sponsored, but I'm affiliate with Mito, and they kindly send me this light so I can show you how it works and demonstrate and maybe discuss the advantages of having this kind of device in your bedroom. If you find this video useful, please give it a thumb up. I really appreciate it. Share with your friends who would also benefit from watching it. Check out my website for more information about red light therapy, lights I use and recommend, and more discount codes. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.